Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. I think I don't have to speak anything because everybody knows what has happened. And from the second market started, the market came under severe selling pressure. And who would have expected Nifty to fall more than 400 points today from intraday high to intraday low? If you can remember, last Tuesday, the Nifty shot up 400 points from intraday low to high. And today, from intraday high to low, a 400 point fall. And this fall is on back of a severe fall yesterday already. At least yesterday, we can say the currency depreciated. So therefore, markets fell. But today, currency did not depreciate. In fact, today, RBI seems to have sold dollars aggressively. So because of that, Indian rupee appreciated. But despite that, the market has fallen. So today, in the year 2025, first time, the Nifty fell for 5 consecutive trading days. That's number one. And number two, both mid-cap and small cap, I think mid-cap 100 and small cap 100, I think both are down more than 20% from recent high. So officially, both mid-cap and small caps are entering into bear territory. And the third one, of course, we have to wait for another 2 more weeks. In Indian stock market, Nifty has never closed negative for 5 consecutive months. So as of January, the Nifty was down for 4 consecutive months. And the way things are panning out now, looks, unless some miracle happens. Because as I told you, as of last Friday or Monday, so all the events are over. RBI policy, everything was over. So sometimes once all the events are over, the market can go for a trending. But I thought that trending will be on the higher side. And now it's exactly opposite. Now the trending is on the downside. Look, yesterday and today, just 2 trading sessions, mid-cap, small-cap indices have fallen 5-6%. Right? And today, stock-specific also, the Apollo Hospital came out with good results, but still it has fallen very big. Then people say Adani is entering into hospitality sector, hospital sector. So that's why Apollo fell. Then, Eicher Motor came out with not so good result, markets fell. So company come out with a good result also falling, bad result also falling. The large caps also came into good selling pressure. So things, are not looking very good. And before the budget, Nifty shot up 1,000 points. And after the budget, Nifty has fallen 800 points. And today, for the 4th time this year, Nifty broke 23,000. But only on one occasion, Nifty broke 23,000 but closed below 23,000. But the remaining 2 occasions as well as today, Nifty did not close below 23,000. So the reasons I have already explained. So market is expecting some big bang announcement from the government. But instead, the government chose to do some small good things. But every small good thing, small recovery, FIIs are using the opportunity to sell. I think today also they have sold for about 5,000 crores. So this selling is not going to stop anytime soon. So I have already warned you many times, this may be just the beginning, especially the mid-cap and small-cap stocks, don't touch. That is the time. It is a time to be very, very cautious. Now, just look at if some high growth stocks, trading at 100, 200 P ratio, then that is understandable. But just today I check, somebody called me and say, sir, why didn't you look at BHEL, which has already fallen so much? So I went to see, after falling so much also, that is trading around 135 P ratio. That means what? Before falling, it was trading around 250 P ratio. So why a stock like BHEL has to trade at 250 P ratio? Our valuations are still sky high, right? So it has to come down to the earth, right? So until then, if you're a smart investor, you will not enter into the market. So markets are markets, I would say markets are irrational until you go bankrupt. So there are people, I remember in my life, somebody, bought a share at 3,000 rupees, it came down to 2,500, he said, I will average. And then he averaged it at 2,500, again averaged 2,000, averaged 1,500, averaged 1,000. Then when it came to 30 rupees, he had to sell everything, right? So markets, especially the people who have come to the market after the coronavirus, they have not seen the ugly face of the stock market. Last time, I remember 2018, there was a mid-cap mayhem. Mid-cap and small caps corrected significantly. And after that, now only I'm finding some meaningful, correction. I think it has the potential to correct another 10 to 20% in the mid-cap. So who knows, markets may recover. But the thing is, so if you are willing to commit a small portion, as I always say, if you have got 100 rupees, maybe 20 rupees you may consider investing in some good quality mid caps, and then you are willing to average if it falls another 15-20%, and then again average another 15-20%. So that means these stocks are not going to go to zero, definitely, right? But again, it depends upon the stock that you are choosing. There are some stocks can go to zero also, right? So all is not well with our market, and first Nifty fell 3,000 point, recovered 1,500 point, again fell and broke that level by another 500 point fell, then again 1,000 point recovery, now is falling. Market going like this, Nifty can go anywhere, right? So let us hope that 22,500 act as a good support. So I thought Nifty will be trading between 23,000 and 24,000 for the entire February, but today I'm totally disappointed on the downside. The 23,000 was broken, although it did not close below 23,000, but we still have how many more trading sessions? So we have a number of trading sessions, more than 2 weeks away. So anything can happen. So be prepared for expect unexpected. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.